Could the symphony of the future be a symphony of algorithms? Could the next Billboard hit be crafted not by a Grammy-winning producer, but an artificial intelligence? Welcome to the future of music production, where AI is set to strike a chord. Our first headline, Suno AI revolutionizes music production. Developed by Anthropic, Suno AI is a game-changing tool that's enabling users to create complete songs effortlessly, regardless of their musical background. Just imagine, crafting lyrics and having them sung by an AI. It's a concept that is democratizing music production and setting the stage for a showdown with traditional studios. Output. Next up, Microsoft collaboration and funding. Since its launch in December 2023, Suno AI has hit some high notes. Notably, a significant collaboration with Microsoft integrating into Microsoft's Copilot, and the tune of $224 million in funding indicating strong investor support. On to user-friendly plans and legalities. Suno AI is singing a sweet melody with its free and paid plans. Users retain rights to their music under paid plans, emphasizing legal and ethical music creation, so you can create your masterpiece without worrying about copyright issues. In tech news, Apple's iOS 18 update. The upcoming update introduces AI-driven features enhancing Siri and Spotlight search. The key change? A focus on on-device processing, benefiting older iPhone models without new hardware requirements, but keep an ear out for potential cloud-based AI integration in the future. Finally, AI in agriculture. The University of Missouri is planting seeds for the future, establishing an AI-focused center to improve farming efficiency and sustainability. AI technologies, including drones, are being utilized to detect crop diseases and optimize resource usage. Aiming to benefit Missouri's agricultural sector, this could set new industry standards. In summary, AI is not just changing music production, but is making waves in tech and agriculture too. With Suno AI, the future of music is here, and it's harmoniously blending human creativity with machine intelligence. So, as we look to the future, remember, the next hit song you hear could very well be the brainchild of an AI. A symphony of algorithms indeed.